Up to Speed Week in Review. We started the week with Andy Choi in Denver, Colorado, getting a tour of Visible. Visible is our all-digital wireless carrier geared towards customers who live completely online and prefer doing business that way. Our 5G ultra-wideband network is now live in Phoenix, Arizona, making it our 10th 5G city. We got a look at how the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G crushes speed test in the area, and that smartphone, along with the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, are now available in stores and online. All three smartphones feature the incredible S Pen, amazing cameras, and great tools for business customers and content creators alike. We've joined state attorneys general to continue our battle against robocalls. We're doing a lot already and encourage customers to install our free call filter app. The Today Show recognized what we're doing to help customers avoid spam text as well. Verizon hosted the Billion Dollar Roundtable this week, including a live stream with Hans where he sat down with Shelley Stewart, head of the BDR. They talked about how positive supplier partnerships lead to positive results and how diversity truly matters. Verizon also received an honor this week with the 2019 Inaugural Advocacy Partner Champion Award at the 2019 National Gay and Lesbian Chamber of Commerce Conference. And it's game time for the ACC Network. The newest sports channel has arrived for our Fios customers. You can catch your favorite teams in HD just in time for college football. That's where I'll be catching the Hills all season long. And check this out to end the week. A group of V-teamers put their collective muscle to good use as they competed in the annual plane pool at the Denver International Airport. Our team pulled the 82-ton jet 12 feet in just over 10 seconds. Verizon was a proud sponsor of the event, and all the proceeds went towards Special Olympics Colorado and the Law Enforcement Torch Run. Awesome job, guys. All throughout the month, we've been celebrating Verizon Up's second anniversary, so here's a little quiz to get you into the weekend. Until next time, you're up to speed.